Okay, with the given information, hahanapin natin yung value ng f at saka yung angle niya with respect to x-axis. So yung resultant natin is 300 pound pointing up along y-axis. So yung resultant natin is dito banda. So paano natin ma-identify yung value ng f? So yung tips ko dito or yung easy solution ko is ganito. So kailangan divide natin ito into 3. So yung group or column 1 is forces. Column 2 is I or yung mga forces within horizontal, at saka yung J, forces, component force, vertical. So, let F sub 1 natin is yung 500 pound. So, it is equals to 500 pounds. At saka yung I nya is negative 500 I. At saka yung J nya, since naglalay siya sa x-axis, so it is 0. Next, yung f of 2 natin, sabihin na lang natin ito, 240 pound. Tsaka yung x niyan, x component, ito, 240 cosine of 30. So therefore, yung value ng 240 cosine of 30 using your calculator is 207.8. Tsaka yung vertical component niyan, which is 240 sine 30, which is negative 120J. Next is f of 3. So sabihin na lang natin na yung f of 3, ito yung f or yung missing na force. So lagay natin na f, tsaka yung I nya is f of x, tsaka lagay na lang natin na yung y nya is f of y. So ito yung hinahanap natin. At tsaka yung resultant, given naman na it is 300 pound. So yung pointing up along y-axis, so therefore yung x-axis niyan is 0y, tsaka yung j nya is 300 pound. So with this set of information, so pwede natin ito i-separate into I different from j. So yung I natin na equation is equals to negative 500 plus 207.8 plus f of x is equals to 0. So yung value ng f of x natin using your calculator is 292.2. So ito yung x component ng force ng hinahanap natin. So yung value niya is 292.2 pounds. So dito yan. So hanapin naman natin yung j. So j is ganun lang din, 0 minus 120j or 120 plus f of y is equals to 300. So sum natin na yung f of y natin is 420. So yung f of y nito is 420 pounds. So paano ma-identify yung f kung meron na tayong x at y component? So using a formula, so f of r, dito na lang natin ilagay, is equals to square root of summation of f of x plus squared summation of f of y squared. So f of x natin is 292.2 squared plus 420 squared. So yung value ng f of r natin is simply 512 pounds. At paano natin ma-identify yung theta or yung angle ito? So simple lang. So ang gagawin natin, tangent of theta is equals to f of y over f of x. Yung f of y nito is yung sa f lang hindi yung total. So yung theta natin is inverse tangent. Ilagay na lang natin na f of y para hindi kayo malito. So yung theta natin is ipapalit natin yung f of y into 420 at f of x is 292.2. So using calculator, yung value ng theta natin is 55.2 degrees. So since nahanap na natin yung mga unknowns, so pwede na natin ilagay ito dito. So f natin is 512 pound, tsaka yung angle niya is 55.2 degrees to the positive x-axis. Thank you.